I take you as my wife, my partner, and my best friend. I'm grateful for our past, present, and excited, very excited for our future together. I love you more than words can express, and I'm honored to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you. I love you.
Forever with you will be long enough. Together with you is my favorite place to be. I'm so proud to be standing here as your wife, and I'm so excited for the adventure of a married life. I'll never leave your side, and we're about to begin together. I hope I can make you as happy as you can make me. I love you more than you ever know. When you meet someone you're meant to spend the rest of your life with, you just know instantly. You have a soul so pure and kind. There is no mystery as to why people have traveled so far today. Through my struggles and endeavors, you have always had an ability to bring comfort. You're my inspiration and my motivation every day to do well in life. I love you forever, and I'll always be by your side.